Are we there yet?
We're almost there.
Are we there yet?
A little more to go.
Are we there yet?
Getting closer now.
Are we there yet?
No!
The windscreen is really dusty.
Almost there.
A little more to go.
Getting closer now. Are we Yeah!
Are we there yet? We're almost there.
Are we there yet?
A little more to go.
Are we there yet?
Getting closer now.
Are we there yet?
No!
Are we there yet?
We're almost there.
Are we there yet?
A little more to go.
Are we there yet?
Getting closer now.
Are we there yet?
No.
One last time. All together now.
Are we there yet? We're almost there. Are we there yet? A little more to go. Are we there yet? Getting closer now. Are we there yet?
Yes, you are.
Our bodies make so many different sounds.
Our bodies are brilliant. They have so much to say. They tell us all kinds of things in the loudest ways. Excuse me. Hey! Listen to your body talk. Listen to your body rock. From your head down to your feet. Listen to your body beat. We can play our bodies and make all kinds of sounds. Sometimes noise just happens when you're sitting down.
Oops, excuse me.
Hey! Listen to your body talk. Listen to your body rock. From your head down to your feet. Listen to your body beat. Our bodies yawn when we are tired. Our teeth chatter when we're chilly. Our tummies growl when we are hungry. And we laugh when something's silly. Listen to your body talk. Listen to your body rock. From your head down to your feet. Listen to your body beat. Listen to your body beat. Listen to your body beat.
Playing songs by the campfire.
Oh, Dado's guitar.
Time for a Dado song! Yay!
Just because the power's cut,
Having fun is up to you.
we don't need electricity. List some things you'd like to do.
I can do that. We can hop like frogs, play cards, sing a song, have a dance party. We don't need electricity to have fun with our family.
Oh, I know. We can go for a walk of tickle time, roast marshmallows, climb a tree.
Hop like frogs, play cards, sing a song, have a dance party. We don't need electricity to have fun with our family.
Wow! There are a lot of things we can do.
But wait, there's more.
We can tell a joke,
Play board games,
sit by the fire,
share stories,
go for a walk of tickle time, roast marshmallows, climb a tree. Hop like a frog, play cards, sing a song, have a dance party. We don't need electricity to have fun with our family.
Come on, Nana and Dado.
We can tell a joke, play board games, sit by the fire, share stories, go for a walk of tickle time, roast marshmallows, climb a tree. Hop like a frog, play cards, sing a song, have a dance party. We don't need electricity to have fun with our family.
That's great.
Find the crossing, Lolo. And wait. Good boy.
I make sure it's safe when we come to a light. Before we cross, I look left and right.
Ooh, up on the roof, there's a bird, squawk, squawk, squawk. It's so much fun, we're going for a walk.
I'm a dog with a job. I help my best friend get around, keep her safe when we walk in town. I'm a dog with a job, and I've got a job to do. I weave round the bins and benches in our way. Then when it's clear, on the path we stay.
There's the sandwich shop. It's a dog's dream come true. I love to sniff trees and lampposts too.
I'm a dog with a job. You've got a job to do. I help my best friend get around.
Keep her safe when you walk in town.
I'm a dog with a job,
and you've got a lot to do.
Good job, Lolo. We make a great team. Now, let me take off your harness so you can play with Triggs.
Yay, we're at the dog park, so for now my job is done. I've been working hard all day and now it's time for fun. I'm a dog with a job,
And you've got a job to do.
I'm a dog with a job.
Come on, Lolo, let's play.
So, pets are like friends?
The best friends.
Companions to share your day with when you're together. Triggs is a dog, but he's so much more. I've never had a friend like him before.
My best friend is Maddie. We're close as can be.
Pets are more than pets. Pets are family.
When Maddie can't find a game she wants to play, I'll help her find it right away.
When Triggs needs a tummy rub, he can count on me. Pets are more than pets. Pets are family. An animal can do so much, and they know just how we feel.
We learn from each other, and the love we share is real. I sit and listen when she needs to talk.
And I grab the lead when he wants to walk.
She brushes my hair, and that proves she loves me.
Pets are more than pets.
Pets are family.
Fluffy or feathery. Pets are family.
We protect your stuff, cover it in fluff. We know accidents can happen like a ball under a chair. Don't worry, we'll be there to show you things we care. Losing things is tough, but we'll protect your stuff and get it back to you.
I'll soar over the chimney top. You need to swoop down low. You're heading for the bridge ahead. We'll fly under, here we go. I use sound to get around. Everywhere I roam, I use sound. I use sound to get around and help me find my way back home. Where have you been? try to be positive and say yes. Yes, I can. I can do anything. Maybe it can help you too.
Oh, I don't know.
It's hard to open up your petals when you're feeling so shy. Say yes and good things can happen when you're willing to try. Say yes and be positive in making lots of friends. Say yes and be positive to trying something new. Say yes and be positive in the fun things you can do. Look up and smile at the sunshine. Feel the warmth of the glow. Say yes to the bees and the raindrops and get ready to grow. Say yes and be positive. Just believe in yourself. Say yes and be positive in the fun things you can do. Hey, you're opening your petals.
Way to go, Woof!
Wow, I'm doing it.
As the weeks move on and on,
The flower will grow tall and strong.
she'll say yes to many things. Then one day we'll hear her say, say yes and be positive in making lots of friends. Say yes and be positive to trying something new. Say yes and be positive. I believe in myself. Say yes and be positive in the fun things we can do.
Ta-ta, I got to go. Make like the wind and blow. I got to hit the road. Start hopping like a toad. It's a goodbye, not goodbye. Where's that smile? No need to cry. I got a Zoom raccoon, but I'll see you real soon. It's a goodbye, not goodbye. Don't feel sad, it's not so bad. I'm not sure where or when, but I will see you again. See you in a while. So long,
Crocodile.
Toodles, alligator.
Okay, smell you later. Okay, I get it now. I guess this isn't so bad.
It's actually kind of fun.
Just say peace out, bip bip cheerio. Gotta bounce when you gotta go.
Now I know fun things to say. No more sad goodbyes when you go away. Woo!
It's a goodbye, not goodbye.
Don't you smile, no need to cry.
Kitty cat, it's time to scat.
But I know you'll come back.
It's a goodbye, not goodbye.
I'm not sad, it won't be bad.
I don't know where or when,
But I'll see you again.
but I'll see you again. But I'll see you again.
That was great.
We're searching for a monster.
A munching veggie monster.
We're searching for a monster.
A crunching veggie monster. The monster's always hungry.
I'm always hungry too.
It likes its screens and digging holes.
Those are things I like to do.
Triggs, is the veggie monster you?
I sure hope not. We're searching for a monster. A munching veggie monster. We're searching for a monster. A crunching veggie monster.
The monster comes out at night.
Eating things that are not theirs.
If the monster would only ask, then Dad would be happy to share. The monster could be anywhere.
And it could be anyone.
Could it be a fox in a bin?
Or a hedgehog
snuffling for treats?
At least we're not on the menu, because it's only veggies.
Only veggies, delicious veggies that it eats. We're searching for a monster, a munching veggie monster. We're searching for a monster, a crunching veggie monster.